Did you know that a staggering 80 to 90% of the world's data is unstructured? And are you aware that much of this untapped data is textual and holds invaluable insights that can be a game changer for businesses and research institutions? Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified text mining and natural language processing program. To begin our course, you'll gain hands-on experience on text mining and data extraction methodologies. Next, you'll learn how to extract insights from vast textual data by using natural language processing tasks such as sentiment analysis, topic modeling, document summarization, named entity recognition, intent detection, and more. You'll also learn how to tackle real-world challenges in analyzing large-scale data sets across diverse domains. This holistic exposure will augment your proficiency in translating textual insights into data-driven decisions and strategic recommendations. Everything you need is explained in detail as you progress through the course and move from the basics to the more advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even learn deep learning concepts such as recurring neural network, long short-term memory, large language models, and transformers to help you solve complex business challenges. By the end of this program, you'll earn the certification in text mining and natural language processing. This certification will augment your professional credentials and underscore your expertise in text mining and natural language processing. What's more, this certification has lifelong validity. So why wait? Enroll in our certified program today and advance your career to a new level.